So I made some surfboards for my capstone project. We had 6 weeks to design and implement techniques that we learned throughout the program. I made 2 boards that I'm going to donate to the school in the hopes that future composite students can get a chance to repair them as necessary as a lesson plan, and also to allow the students of the campus to take them out and go surfing. Maybe start a surfboard club.
My passion in life is mountain biking. I decided to create a bicycle helmet because it incorporates not only aerospace design but my passion for what I love doing. So I made a carbon fiber pre-preg helmet inside of an MDF mold and used the standard EPS foam that is typically used in helmets.
This is the Shirley Priscilla. It's a tugboat. I got some plywood construction plans and we decided to kind of retrofit them to a pure composite project. Every day people would say to me, it's all about the work in the front end, and the work in the back end will come out nice and pretty looking if you just do all this work in the front end. So it felt like every day I'd just have this flat piece, nothing looked like a boat, and then as soon as it started to look like a boat, then bam, bam, it was done.
After school, I'm flying out to the UK for training to be a wind blade repair technician, and I will be with one of my fellow classmates.
I was super stoked about the idea, and it has brought me a lot of joy to know that I'm going to be actually traveling to London for training. Any industry that you want to be in, you can be in. I had prospects of making prosthetics in Cranston. The racing industry is quite prominent. Up in Bristol, they make Formula One shells there. I know that they're making the America's Cup boat in Rhode Island, which is just incredible for the people here and opportunity for a lot of kids.
I'll be doing my externship at the American Magic team, and they'll be making one of the America's Cup boats for the next challenge. So I'm really excited. Going from making boats to making much cooler boats.